Hi my friends, in this video we will find out how much you can earn if you buy old equipment at the flea market at low prices and disassemble it for scrap. I myself am very interested in conducting this experiment. For this we are now heading to the market. It may be possible to find something interesting and, most importantly, at a low price. In any case I will bargain to reduce the price as much as possible. And what will come of it you can see after watching the video to the end. But first, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Happy viewing.
Unfortunately, due to the weather today, many sellers did not come to the market, so we do not have a large choice. Now we will walk through this market and will definitely find something.
Sinóvimo? Класси. Şimdi şey sta. Счетчик.
Friends, if you are interested, I can make a video for you in which I will show you what interesting things can be found at the flea market. I am sure you will like it. So let's get 100 likes under this video and soon I will shoot this video. Friends, I'm already at home and look what I managed to buy. These are 3 old circuit breakers and I paid $4.61 for them. The first smallest one I bought for $1.13, for the second I paid $1.98 and the third $2.55. I convert the prices immediately in dollars so that everyone can understand. Now we will take them apart, get all the non-ferrous metals from there and see how much we can earn from them. All circuit breakers have contacts of their technical silver, and there is not a lot of copper and brass at all. These are the first time I disassemble these, but so far I am not impressed. I took out all the metal from the switches, now we will sort them. It remains to separate the contacts from the copper, and weighing can be carried out. Let's summarize, friends. I multiplied the weight of each metal by its current price and got the value of each of them. For 5 grams of silver, you can earn $2.55, for brass 28 cents, for copper 1.48, and for iron 30 cents. In total we get $4.61. Let me remind you that we bought circuit breakers for $5.66. That is, they went into the negative by $1. You will definitely not be able to make money in this way, so I do not advise you. But since this is my hobby and I am still doing YouTube, I will definitely not be in the red. I hope this video was useful to you. Do not forget to like this video and write some comments. Bye everyone.